Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to take input from the user in Java. And here we are going to use a scanner class, and user input is very essential part of many applications. And the scanner class provide a simple way to read different type of data from the user. So we are going to start with directly code so you will understand easily. So first of all, we have to use a class. That class name is a scanner, and the scanner class is a part of java.util package. So whatever you are seeing right inside this package, similar way they have another package. That package name is java.util. Please do not worry about what is package. For now, just understand like package is going to hold some similar type of class. And what is class? Whatever you are seeing currently, we have a class. For now, just understand, and we will see this thing in upcoming tutorial. So the scanner class will provide method to read input of various type like string, integer, double, and we can get input from the keyboard. So how you can declare? You have to just use a scanner, and after that you can give the object name. I know you are thinking what is object. Just understand like we are going to create a object of the class, and here you have to use new scanner. And now try to import, so you can see it will come from java.util package. And if you press Ctrl button in Eclipse and after that just click, you can see all the variable and what are the things they are doing inside the class. And this class is inside the java.util package, and everything will become inside the jar java.base. Now what you have to use here, system.in. So let's try to use system.in. Here we are using system.in. That means it will be like an input stream, and this scanner object is going to read the input from the standard input stream. And for now, that is our keyboard. So let's try to print a message like sys out. We are going to put the string message here like enter your name. So if you run this code, what will be happen? You will just get a simple message, enter your name. But if you type anything in the console, you cannot enter anything, because we need a variable that will going to hold our entered input value. So what you can do, just come down and use a string and create a variable name as a name. And here you have to use a scanner dot. So you can see what are the things they have. They have next, they have toString, and if you go down, you can see they have multiple things. So for now, we are going to use next line. So you can see the definition, what it will do inside the next line. So just use next line. Now try to print this message like name, and what is the variable name here? A smaller letter name. So if you run, here it is asking enter your name. So you can enter any name, and if you press enter, you can see we are getting message like name colon whatever name we have entered earlier. So that name is currently holded by name variable. So similar way, let's try to create another variable that will hold our age. So what you can do, just use int age and just try to use a scanner object dot next int. Now you have to print the age. So let's copy this one, and you can put here age. But currently we are not asking user to enter your age. So for that, what you have to do, just use here sys out, and you can say like enter your age. Let's run. Enter your name AB, enter your age 2. So you can see we are giving here name and age, but the age value is here what? AB, because we have not changed the variable. So let's try to change here as age AF, age is 3. So you can see here how we are getting. So these are the things you can try to play. Similar way, if you want to use a variable in double, and if you want to get double value from the user, you have to use a scanner dot next double. Let me show one more thing. People used to do this kind of mistake. So let's copy this line first and try to run. So here you can see you can enter everything, and we are not going to get any error. So let me uncomment this line. So you can see whatever you have entered, you can see we are getting everything at a one place. But in case next line, if you are going to enter just next, it is also kind of a string only, but it will not give like entire string, because the next method read input until it encounter a delimiter. That means a space, I can say. So let me run this one. If I type DD and if I type a space and if I click enter, you can see it is just giving me output for only first variable. If I will run again, you can see here SSTT blah blah blah, and you click enter, whatever you have before this space, that value you will get inside the name. So please try to understand when you have to use next and when you have to use next line, and try to play with the scanner class. They have so many things. Once you type next, you can see next float, next double, next byte. I don't know how many things are there. See you in next.